Hi everyone and welcome back to Craft Center. I am Hozan Agri and in this video I will show you how to import a video inside Premiere Pro, how to cut it by using the scissor cut and the other shortcuts, and how to use the snap feature effectively. And we will also talk about the source monitor today and how to drag a clip into the source monitor and how to cut it inside the source monitor and bring it inside the timeline. And all these techniques you will learn today in this video. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and let me know in the comment what you want for the next video. As we talked about the Premiere Pro in our first and previous video, we say that when you open a Premiere Pro, you are seeing a welcome page to Premiere Pro, and here you need to open a project here, just like a new project, and then you will choose a name. Second video, PP Premiere Pro, and then you will choose the location where you like to save your files. Good. And then click on the create here. First, you need to import some video inside your Premiere Pro by clicking, if you go to this panel, project panel here, and then import media. As I said before, just coming to the file and then import or Control I here, and then find your videos. And then coming to the video here, video for editing. For example, I have some videos here. Let me to bring some videos. And here in the project panel, as I told you before, you just move your mouse here, then you can see a short of the video here like this, and you can see it moving. Then you bring your video inside timeline by dragging into the timeline here. Right now, if you want to cut this video, as I said, there are 3 ways that you can cut these videos. For example, first I need to move my slider here. I need to choose where I want to cut my video. For example, I want to cut the video from here. Then I will just bring the slider here and then go to the cut razor tool here and click on it and activate it. Or you can also use the C, the shortcut, C keyboard, like this. Then it's as you can see, it is activated now. And just one click, and then use the selection tool here. You can see, now you can see that this video is 2 parts. If you just move it, you can see now that the video has been divided into 2 parts here. So now I want to cut this video. Just need to press the delete button here and it will be deleted like this. So now we've cut a part of this video, as you can see. So, and if you want to cut it from the middle of a video, the same process need to be done. Press on C keyboard and just choose from where you want to cut it, from here until here, and then V press on the V keyboard or just selection tool V, choose the video that you want to delete it and press on delete. But now here there is something happening and there is a gap between these two videos. And if, for example, this is very small project, sometimes you are working on a project with 100 videos that need to be dated. So in this case, you cannot just always manually move all these videos from here to remove these gaps between them. What you have to do, let me go back. By going back, just Control and Z. Again, Control Z. So now here, if you want to remove this video, just select it and then Shift, hold the Shift and then delete. And see what's happened? It has deleted the video that you don't want to have it, and it also removed this gap and just linked these two videos together. This is about cutting by scissor. Now let me to bring another video here. So now we want to start with another way, with another shortcut to cut video here. How we can do it? We have another option which is called Q and W shortcuts. How it works? For example, you have your slider here. You just let me to bring another. Let me to make it bigger here. Yes. So, for example, you have this video here, and you don't want to have the beginner of this video until here. In order to delete this part of video, you just need to click on Q keyboard and it will automatically delete that part that you have chosen by the slider. And it's really important that you know that the video will be cut based on this, the position of the slider. If the slider stay here, they will be cut from here. And if it stay here, it will be cut from here. So all this video from the start until here, it will be deleted by using the Q keyboard. And if you want to delete the end of video, again, just choose your slider and just put it here. For example, you want to delete this part of video, and this time using the W keyboard. Can you see? It's like this. So what is the difference between this razor and Q and W cutting? The difference is Q and W cutting is just cutting from the beginner and the end of video, but razor can cut from the beginner, from the end, from the middle, wherever you want. Okay, this is the differences. And now if you want to bring another video here, you see, if you just bring the video here, it will just automatically will be linked to another video. You can see, you know why? Because of this option, which is called the snap in timeline. It should always be activated unless for some special project that you don't need to be activated. Otherwise, it's really helping you to link all this video in a correct place when you using Premiere Pro. Now we want to use another way to cut our video, which is called source monitor. Here, this panel. Okay, so let me to delete this two video here and bring this one here. If you double click on a video, it will also be shown here in this panel, which has many other options here. It's not only one option. And here you can cut your video, and remember that the differences between this one and this panel is here you can see the result of your dated video, but here you just can see your original video. Now I want to cut this video, just say from here until here. For doing this, you just choose where you want to cut your video and then use the I keyboard and go to that place that you want to have your video until there, for example here, and then this time you will use your O keyboard. Or you can also use these two keyboards, which is called mark in and mark out, and then you can drag, just drag video, you can drag your video inside your timeline, either by this way, or you can also use this our right and click on it, and it will come inside your timeline. I have a video here, and then I want to bring another video, and I will move the slider to the correct place that my video should be there, and then after I have chosen this video that I have already chosen, then I will just choose this option, insert, and it will automatically comes after this slider. For example, let me to go back, Control Z. If I put my slider here, the video should start from here. Let's try it again. Insert, you see, and this is the way how to bring a video through Source Monitor. Great, and that's it. And in this video, we explored how to import a video inside Adobe Premiere Pro, how to cut it by a razor tool, and the other Q and W keyboard shortcuts, and how to bring a video inside a source monitor, and how to cut it from the source monitor and bring it and drag it inside timeline. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for more video editing tips. Thank you.